Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Check in on DraftKings. We haven't looked at this in a bit, but last time we watched it, it triggered the double, coming back, retesting the prior support level, which formed the base of the double, and the rotation zone, and rotating back down, hitting the first target. The first target was 30.48. Well, what was the low? 30.45. So first target hit, traditionally you'd start ratcheting down the stop at that level. The next target is 28.10 and the final target is 25.71. It is an oversold condition, but it's slowly edging down, reversing this up move, which is what a double is designed to do. Just putting that out there. That doesn't mean it has to drop to these levels instantly. On any rally, let's go drop to that 4 hour real quick. So you see, even in the 4 hour, you got the rotation zone rotating down. First level on the 4 hour is about 32.40. And then major resistance on the 4 hour is about 34.25. And on the daily, your resistance is about 33.50 first level. And the major resistance coming in at the just below the base, about 35.50. On any rally, I'd really be focused on, you had this little support shelf with the declining daily rotation zone about 33. That's the area I'd really be focused on any rally. And a rally would put it back above the 50, which it found some minor support at, but is really looking terribly weak, but it is oversold. So let's just see how this continues to play out. Hope everybody, if you're long, had your stops in. We tried to get this out there once the double was triggered so people could possibly take advantage of it and learn to trade it, or at least manage their long position accordingly. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.